Meditation for healing and renewal. Releasing the past and embracing the future. Explanation of healing and renewal. Healing refers to the process of recovering and mending from emotional, psychological, or physical wounds. It involves addressing and resolving past traumas or difficulties to restore a sense of wholeness and well-being. Healing is often a gradual and non-linear process. It may involve confronting and processing painful memories or experiences, seeking forgiveness, and cultivating self-compassion. Healing focuses on moving beyond past hurt and re-establishing a sense of balance and health. Sources of healing can include therapeutic practices, such as counseling or therapy, self-care routines, meditation, and support from friends and family. Engaging in creative expression, spiritual practices, or personal growth activities can also aid in the healing process. Healing can lead to improved emotional resilience, enhanced self-awareness, and a more balanced approach to life's challenges. It fosters a renewed sense of hope and vitality, and can contribute to overall well-being and healthier relationships. Renewal involves the process of refreshing and revitalizing oneself by embracing new opportunities and perspectives. It signifies a new beginning or transformation, allowing individuals to move forward with a sense of purpose and optimism. Renewal is characterized by a proactive approach to personal growth and change. It often involves letting go of outdated beliefs or habits and adopting new ones that align with one's evolving values and aspirations. It is about embracing the future with a sense of excitement and possibility. Sources of renewal can include setting new goals, pursuing personal development opportunities, engaging in new experiences, and adopting positive habits. It may also involve redefining one's purpose or direction in life and exploring new passions or interests. Renewal fosters a sense of empowerment, motivation, and clarity. It can lead to greater fulfillment and a stronger alignment between one's actions and values. Embracing renewal can enhance one's overall life satisfaction and resilience in the face of change. The relationship between healing and renewal. Healing and renewal are interrelated processes that support one another. Healing often precedes renewal by addressing and resolving past issues, thereby creating space for new growth and opportunities. Renewal, in turn, builds upon the healing process to foster ongoing personal development and transformation. To effectively integrate healing and renewal, individuals can focus on self-reflection, forgiveness, and releasing old patterns or limitations. Embracing new opportunities and setting forward-looking goals can then help channel the insights gained from healing into constructive and fulfilling actions. By understanding and applying the concepts of healing and renewal, you can gain valuable insights and practical tools for overcoming past difficulties and embracing a brighter, more empowered future. Introduction to the meditation. Welcome to this sacred moment of transformation and renewal. Today, we invite you to join us for a deeply restorative meditation designed to guide you through the process of healing and embracing new beginnings. Our practice, titled Meditation for Healing and Renewal, Releasing the Past and Embracing the Future, is crafted to support you in letting go of past burdens and welcoming the opportunities that lie ahead. In this session, we will focus on gently releasing old patterns and emotional weights that may have been holding you back. This meditation offers a serene space for you to process and heal from past experiences, while preparing yourself to embrace a renewed sense of purpose and vitality. As we begin, allow yourself to be present with each breath, letting go of the past and opening yourself to the promise of the future. Feel the soothing energy of this practice as it guides you toward a place of inner peace and clarity. We will explore techniques to help you release old memories and create a fresh, hopeful outlook. This meditation is designed to help you reconnect with your inner strength and set the stage for positive transformation in your life. Consider this time a precious gift to yourself, a moment to heal, refresh, and embrace new possibilities. As you journey through this practice, may you find liberation from the past and inspiration for a brighter future. Settle in and prepare to embark on this transformative experience. Your path to healing and renewal begins now. Meditation session for healing and renewal. Releasing the past and embracing the future. Welcome to this transformative meditation session, designed to support you in healing and embracing new beginnings. Find a comfortable seated position, ensuring your spine is upright yet relaxed. Let your shoulders soften and your hands rest gently on your lap or knees. Softly close your eyes. Let's begin by taking a few moments to settle into this sacred space. Take a deep breath in through your nose, allowing the air to fill your lungs completely. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress you may be holding on to. Let's repeat that. Inhale deeply through your nose, and exhale fully through your mouth, letting go of any thoughts or concerns that may occupy your mind. Allow your breath to find its natural rhythm now. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest and abdomen with each breath. As you continue to breathe effortlessly, bring your awareness to the area behind your closed eyes. Now, introduce a mantra that resonates deeply with you in this moment. It could be release, renew, embrace, or any word that embodies healing and new beginnings for you. Allow the mantra to naturally arise in your mind with each inhalation and exhalation, gently repeating it silently. As you continue to repeat your mantra, effortlessly let go of any distractions that may arise. Thoughts, sensations, or sounds. Simply acknowledge them and return gently to your mantra, allowing it to guide you deeper into a state of inner peace and renewal. Feel a sense of empowerment and relief flowing through you with each repetition of your mantra. Sense the seeds of transformation taking root within you, nurturing a garden of clarity and hope that radiates calmness and harmony. As you continue this practice, notice any sensations in your body, thoughts arising, or emotions passing through. Embrace them without judgment, allowing them to simply be as you remain anchored in your mantra. Now, gradually release your mantra. Let go of all effort and surrender into a state of deep inner calm and peace. Rest in this profound silence for a few moments, allowing it to permeate every cell of your being. Feel the peace and stillness within you. Know that this serene state is always accessible to you. A sanctuary you can return to whenever you choose. Take a moment to appreciate this sense of deep relaxation and renewal. In a moment, I will count from 1 to 10. With each number, gradually bring your awareness back to the present moment, feeling revitalized and rejuvenated. 1. Beginning to return now, gently and peacefully. 2. Becoming aware of the sensation of your body seated here. 3. Feeling the gentle rhythm of your breath. 4. Noticing the peaceful atmosphere surrounding you. 5. Taking a deep breath in, feeling refreshed and renewed. 6. Becoming aware of the space and stillness within you. 7. Feeling a sense of empowerment and tranquility. 8. Gently moving your fingers and toes. 9. Taking another deep breath, feeling gratitude for this moment. 10. Whenever you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to reorient yourself to your surroundings. Notice how you feel after this meditation practice. Carry this sense of renewal, tranquility, and clarity with you as you continue your day, embracing new opportunities and spreading positivity wherever you go. Thank you for joining me in this meditation session dedicated to healing and embracing the future. May these moments of stillness and renewal guide you on your journey towards emotional well-being and transformation.